In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Samsung TV when it's not responding to volume control, covering issues with the remote, HDMI, and IR signals. First, check the volume buttons on your remote. Replace the batteries with fresh ones and make sure they're inserted correctly. Sometimes low battery power causes volume buttons to stop working. Make sure nothing is blocking the remote's infrared IR signal to the TV's sensor. Keep a clear line of sight between the remote and the TV. If your soundbar or external speakers are connected via HDMI ARC or optical cable, ensure the connections are secure. Check that HDMI-CEC, Consumer Electronics Control, is enabled on both your TV and soundbar, as this allows volume control through the TV remote. Try restarting your TV and any connected audio devices by unplugging them for 30 seconds, then plugging them back in. If you're using a universal remote or a cable box remote, make sure it's properly programmed for your Samsung TV. Check the TV's audio settings. Sometimes the volume control can be disabled or overridden if external audio systems are selected. If the TV still doesn't respond to volume control, try resetting the remote by removing its batteries and pressing all buttons once before reinserting them. If none of these steps fix the issue, the remote's IR sensor or the TV's receiver may be faulty and need professional repair. Following these tips should get your Samsung TV volume control working again. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.